Are you facing problem with PayPal? PayPal are not available in your country? Don't worry. I will show you a method. You can create a PayPal account from anywhere. And I will show you also how you can connect your Payoneer bank account in this PayPal account. Payoneer is available all over the world. You can create it easily. I will leave the link in description. You can check it. Before starting this video, please hit the like button. You must subscribe the channel. I will upload more unique videos. So subscribe the channel. First of all, open a browser and search PayPal space CY and search. You can see Cyprus PayPal here. Click on it. So this is the PayPal. Now we have to sign up. So click on sign up. You can see two options. One is personal and another is business. You can create personal also. I will create business. Maximum countries support business account. That's why I am choosing it. Now fill up the form. Your first name, last name. If you have passport, you must choose the passport name. After that, choose your country code. In Bangladesh, PayPal are not available, but I am using Bangladesh's number. You can check it and choose your phone number. You can use your phone number from anywhere where PayPal is not available also. After that, choose your mail. You can choose your personal mail and then password also. Choose a password and agree the terms and click on next. After we will get a code in our phone. So here is the code in my phone. So first step, PayPal is created. Here you can see it. Let's go. We created a business account. That's why here is two options. One is individual seller and another is business. So I'll choose individual seller. Now fill up your information, your date of birth, your residency, and your address also. And then click on next. You have to fill up your form, business form. Here click on it. Just use my details. After that, our primary currency, make it US dollar. You can choose any currency, no problem. And here you have to choose which business purpose you are using. You can choose any physical business. How much you sell per month? I am choosing lowest one. Have you any website? I don't have. So click on no. And here click on use my details and save. Congratulations, you are all set. Go to home page. So check PayPal is created. You can see two notifications here. One is confirm your email and another is link a bank account. The notification is here. Two notifications. First we will confirm our mail. So click on confirm your email and here confirm. I confirmed it from my mail. And now I am linking a bank account. If you have euro based bank, you can link it here. I will link Payoneer bank account. First click on link a bank account. Here you can see you need a IBN number. First we will choose personal account from here. For linking a bank account, you need a IBN number. You will get it in Payoneer account. First create a Payoneer account if you don't have. I will leave the link in description and go there and create it easily. It is worldwide available. First create a Euro bank account. Here it is. I have already opened it. You will see a IBN number. Copy it and paste it here and confirm. Now click on accept. Now two small deposits sent to your Payoneer account. You can confirm it easily. When you submit your two deposits, bank will link and confirm, PayPal will verify it. I have lot of videos about this topic. You can check it. Now our PayPal is fully verified. You can use it now. If you have any problem about this, you can comment here. I will reply all. So that's all for today. Make sure you hit the like button and definitely subscribe.